Welcome back to our DIY in the USA special. Now, a few months back when I was pregnant, we did a story about doing a do-it-yourself hydrofacial beauty treatment. It's the hottest trend in skincare, and we are showing you how to do it on your own.
This is not a facial.
People are going crazy for the latest beauty trend, the Hydrofacial.
What it's doing is applying high-pressure water, kind of a sprinkler system for your pores. That's basically what a hydrofacial is.
But a session at a spa can cost you around $300. The Kerr Judith Cruz Bernstein, president of Natural Care Hair Care and Skin Care, is going to show us how to recreate a spa day at home. For starters, you'll need all natural ingredients.
Saffron is an anti-inflammatory, and it's also great for clarifying the skin.
You'll also use honey to revitalize your pores and jojoba to smooth and moisturize. You'll also need tamanu.
So the tamanu is basically an antibacterial formula that cleanses your skin without stripping your natural oils.
To exfoliate your skin, there's the konjaku sponge, which is actually a Japanese potato.
I was like, it looks like a cookie. I want to take a bite.
And once you put it in water, it turns into this wonderful exfoliating sponge that your skin won't even feel.
You can find all this online for around $100. Next, instead of a pricey hydrofacial machine, use a personal steamer.
Now, this is not a steamer that you use for clothes. This is specifically for your face.
Exactly.
Steamers make it easier to deep clean your face by opening your pores.
So, spa day at my house. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You can find personal steamers online starting at around $20. Finally, the DIY hydrofacial technique. Apply the tamanu cleanser to your face, then soak the konjaku sponge in water and use a circular motion to remove the impurities from your skin.
How does that feel?
Feels magical.
Use the steamer for 5 minutes to lightly open your pores and then apply the mask.
This is the pineapple and papaya mask.
Apply the mask and leave it on for 20 minutes. Wipe it off with a soft towel, apply a natural toner, then follow that with a jojoba moisturizer.
And that is how you do a hydrofacial at home.
I love it.
For the full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions, head to thelistTV.com. Opening your pores without going to the porehouse with DIY hydrofacials.